The ollie, the basis for every single trick on your board, ranging from pop shove, frontside 180, and kick flips. Here to demonstrate how to do an ollie, Mr. Gamio Guzman, our very own skateboard expert, will show you how to do it.
Now, the ollie is one of the most fundamental tricks in all of skateboarding because it holds the basis to every single trick on the board. Step 0. You have to actually be comfortable on your board. You can't do an ollie, or you can't really start a trick if you don't know what you're doing on your board. So when we're first starting off with the ollie, we have to first talk about the actual pop of the ollie. So this is what gets your board kind of off the ground. This is what I'm doing right here. Now remember, don't slam the board down because that's not going to actually get you off the ground. Now the second step of doing an ollie, after you get the pop, now you have to get the foot to follow. So here's what I mean. Instead of going out like this, go more upwards. You're not trying to do a kickflip, you're trying to do an ollie. Now we have to focus on actually getting the board straight. You see, you could get away with an ollie like this, and that would be good. But that's called a rocket ollie. See, we're not trying to do a rocket ollie. We want to do an ollie. So like I said, pop, push. Now we have to straighten both of our feet in the air so that we can actually get over something. Now that we have our board in the air and it's straightened out, now we have to kind of put the nose down a little bit. Not too much where you're going like this, but just enough where your foot is following down and ensure that you have a safe landing. Now remember, you want to land at least somewhere on these two front bolts right here. Now obviously you don't have to practice the ollie while you're rolling or even just without any support. So what you can do is that you can hold on to something while doing the ollie, so you can at least get the basics of what your feet need to be doing. Now to recap our footage, first pop, push, straighten, then land. Like I said, pop, push, straighten, land. Now you know how to do an ollie. Thanks for watching.
Make sure that you aren't slamming down your board and make sure it has a pop. Remember, practice makes perfect.